The third one is garlic. Garlic is an all-rounder treatment for preventing common cold, cough, lung tuberculosis, asthma, wound infection, malaria, and other conditions. It enhances immune function and prevents common cold and flu symptoms such as cold. This garlic, it also inhibits anti-cancer and chemopreventive activities. The allicin is that's a compound that is found in garlic. It's an effective treatment for common colds and their symptoms. In addition, aged garlic extract has three different properties. The first one is neuroprotective properties, meaning it helps protect the nervous system, including the brain, from damaging, potentially reduce the risk of neurodegenerative disease. The second one is antioxidative properties, and it is this one acts as an antioxidant, neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body that can cause cellular damage, inflammation, and aging. The third one is hepatoprotective properties. This protects the liver, supporting its health and ability to detoxify the body, whereas other preparation may stimulate oxidation, meaning they could promote the production of free radicals, potentially causing cellular damage rather than preventing it.